So welcome back to the channel, and you can see this is the W6 model of my car, and I have installed the top model headlights with TRL, and this is the part 2. So if you haven't watched the part 1, please go and watch part 1. So in this video you can see the DRLs are working fine, low beam is also working fine, and high beam are also working fine. So basically what happens, this is the projector low beam. So when we switch to high beams, the low beams turn off. So in this video we will install in relay so that high and low beams can work together. So now we need a 4-pin relay, and I suggest you to buy a 12 volt 30 ampere only. You can buy this from any local shop or any online platform. So let me tell you how to wire this relay. So there are total of 4 pins, and each pin has some numbers. So the pin number 30, you have to attach this pin to the battery positive and supply 12 volt. And the pin number 85, you have to attach this to the battery negative terminal, or you can ground it. Then pin number 87. So pin number 87 should be attached to the low beam wire. And pin number 88, you have to attach this pin to the high beam wire. So let me tell you how this relay works. So what happens is, so when we switch to high beams, the low beams don't work. So this relay will trigger the low beams along with the high beams. So pin number 88 works as a switch. It takes a signal, and once it gets signals, it takes current from the pin number 30 and give current to the pin number 87, which will make our low beam work with high beam. So that's why we need this relay. So yeah, this is the best option to get this relay, because it will require the minimal wiring and the changes in the harness. So people in Karol Bagh, if you go to the any shop, they will install the fully fledged relay, but we don't need that. That's all. So guys, this is how the relay looks, and I have bought this coupler, 4-pin relay coupler. You can buy online and attach this to the relay. So there are total of 4 wires. So pin number 30, pin number 85, 87, 88. So pin number 87 wire should be attached to the low beam wire, and pin number 88 wire should be attached to the high beam wire, and black wire, that is pin number 85, will be go to battery negative terminal, and the pin number 30. So you can see the DRL is now working, and I am powering the DRL with the parking coupler. So you can see rest of the wiring, the high beam, low beam, and the ground connector, the indicator connector, and the DRL connector. And I have attached this DRL wire into the parking coupler. That's all. Now, so guys, this is the right hand side of the car. Now guys, let's see how I installed the relay. I have attached the relay with the help of tie belt, and I will show you the couplers. This is one for the indicator, and this is the parking coupler, which is powering my DRLs, and this is, you can see the relay. So you can this is the main coupler. Now I will show you how I wired this. So you can see there are two wires coming from relay, red and black, which is for ground, and 12 volt from battery, and I have attached them to the battery negative and battery positive. Now the 2 wires, you have to attach one wire into the low beam wire, and you have to attach the other wire into the high beam wire. That's all. And we have to only do this at only one side of the car. At any one side of the car, you can either do this in the left hand side or right hand side. So yeah, that's all. So now the setup is complete. Now your DRLs will work fine. So I'm making this video after 4 months of usage, so I have not faced any problems, warranty issues and all.